Welcome to How To For You, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a seatbelt. I know you're thinking everyone knows how to do that already, but when I repeatedly see on the news the driver was not wearing a seatbelt, I think maybe they just didn't know how to put it on. Now, there used to be automatic seatbelts that would automatically go on when you got in your seat, but I don't see those around anymore. I think it was because people wanted to choose for themselves if they live or die. Anyway, when you turn on your car, you'll probably get some kind of beep or a flashing icon on your dashboard that tells you to put on your seatbelt. So the first step would be to not ignore that. Now, most seatbelts are located on the left, so you want to reach over with your right hand, grab the latch plate, and pull the shoulder strap and lap belt across the front of your body. If you pull it behind your body, you'll do a good job of protecting your seat, but it won't do much good if you hit a tree head on. The next step is probably the most important. You want to insert the latch plate into the buckle and push it in firmly enough until you hear that click. That simple click could be the difference between living to see another day or stopping the growth of any future branches on your family tree. And don't worry about being stuck in your car when you get to your destination. Just push in the red button to unlatch the belt and you're free. And that's it. Now you can drive with the confidence that you'll survive to see another day. Unless you're driving so fast that a utility pole splits your car in half, then that's on you. If you found this helpful, click the like button below and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Have a great day.